Good afternoon, students. This is Rajkumar Yadav, and today I am going to tell you a special type of question from straight line that is very important for exam point of view. So you can see it. If we have been given ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, if we have been given the equation like that, this is called the general equation of straight line. Then how we change it into three special forms. The first one is the slope intercept form, right? The second one is intercept form, and the third one is normal form, right? So if you have been given a question like 3x plus 4y is equals to, right, 12. This is the equation given, and you have to change this into slope intercept form, and also tell the slope, what is the slope of that and what is the intercept of that. So you can change it how. This is the y is equals to mx plus c, right? This form is known as slope intercept form. And what is that? A line that can intersect the slope, that can intersect the intercept on y-axis, that is called c. If it intersect on y-axis, it can be positive or negative, and the theta or slope, that is tan theta, if theta is given, or directly you can find the m from this equation. How? First of all, you see that y is separate here, so we have to move this 3x there. That becomes minus 3x plus 12. Now y is equals to minus 3x upon 4. I am dividing by 4 on both sides, right? 12 upon 4. So minus 3 upon 4x, 4 is 12. That becomes, the slope intercept form. If you can compare it by mx plus c, you will see that m is equals to minus 3 by 4. You can see there, and c is equals to 3. Thus, we can change this same question into another form. I will discuss later on. But this is the slope. Now I am going to tell you another formula for slope. You can see there 3 upon 4. 3 is coefficient of x, but there is a minus sign. So you can put the minus sign. Coefficient of x, right? And upon coefficient of y. So you can see there another formula for m, the slope. You already know that tan theta, if theta is given, you already know that y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. If we have been given 2 points, right, x1 y1 and x2 y2, then you can find this one. Now we got the third one, that is if we have been given a straight line, directly we can find out the slope of that. Again, this is the same question. I have to change into now the second one. Can we move for next one? And that's it, intercept form. You can pause your video and watch it, write it, and then go for the next method. And what is that? That is intercept form, right? Intercept form. You can see there, if we have been given 3x plus 4y equals to 12, what is the intercept form? First of all, I can tell you, this have been given earlier also. That is the equation of x upon a plus y upon b is equals to 1. This form is known as intercept form, where a and b is what is representing this a and b. That is the x-intercept, the line which intersects the x-axis. It is called x-intercept, and if that is the a, and that the b denominator of y, that is the y-intercept. So if we can change this equation into this form, that is called intercept form. So how we change the same question into this form? For that we have to divide this whole equation by 12. Why? Because we want to make it as 1. If we want to make this 1 as 1, 3 4 are 12, 4 3 are 12, x upon 4 and y upon 3. Now we can mention it. What is a? That is 4. And what is y? Upon b. b means 3. So we can have this, coordinate 4 0 and this is 0 plus 3. 0 and 3. So this is the form that is called intercept form. Now the third one, and what is that last one but not the least? The equation is same. You can again pause your video and watch till the end, and then the next go for the next one. And what is that? That is normal form. First of all, I can tell you what is the normal form. If we have been given a line like that, and it is the perpendicular p, and this is the alpha, so you can have this, x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p. If you are given like that, if it is the equation given to you and you have to change in that form, you have to divide the whole equation, right, by a square plus b square. It is a is the coefficient of x and b is the coefficient of y, and it can be, this equation can be divided by these root a square plus b square, and then you can change it into the normal form. So again, what is that? Ax upon a square plus b square here plus by upon under root a square plus b square, and that is the minus c a square plus b square. What is this represent? The p, the perpendicular length from 0 0. But this cannot be in negative. So you have to multiply that. You have to multiply that by minus sign, everywhere. So you can say that what is the x cos alpha? You can compare it and you can find what is x cos alpha and what is y sin alpha, and that is the c, that is called p. You can change it like p. So this is the special form. For only you have to remember that you have to divide by the coefficient of x and y like that, root a square plus b square. If coefficient of x and y are a and b, then we have to divide by square root of a square plus b square, right, on both sides, and you can have a normal form, right? So guys, thank you for today. All the best.